ibang klase ka, girl. Honestly, probably one of the best performances so far dito sa The Voice Kids. From the beginning of her song hanggang sa dulo, hindi kami bumitaw. So yung command niya nga, yung sinabi ko sa amin and sa stage, ibang klase. So I think she did it the best way she can and it showed. Yung nag-stand out sa akin kay Misha is kung paano siya mag-groove, kung paano niya namnamin yung kanta at namnamin yung performance niya. Kasi nakukuha niya kami when she bounces, when she really puts in everything and halatang halata.